Nicole is 41 years old and has a net worth of about $970,000. Her coworker Brian is 43 and has a net worth of only $62,000. What makes this comparison interesting is that they work at the same company and earn almost the same salary. Nicole makes around $89,000 a year, while Brian earns about $92,000. They started their careers around the same time and received similar raises over the years. Yet Nicole is close to becoming a millionaire, while Brian is far behind financially. The difference between them is not intelligence, luck, or income. The difference is habits. Nicole follows 5 simple financial habits that Brian never learned. These habits are not complicated, but they create massive results when practiced consistently over many years. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Brian treats saving as something he does if there is money left at the end of the month. His paycheck arrives, he pays bills, buys groceries, covers entertainment, and whatever remains might go into savings. Most months, nothing is left. Nicole uses a completely different system. Before she even sees her paycheck, a portion automatically goes into retirement accounts like her 401k and Roth IRA. She never has the chance to spend that money. Over nearly 2 decades, this simple difference has created hundreds of thousands of dollars in investments for Nicole, while Brian's savings have barely grown. Number 2. Increase savings when income grows. Brian's lifestyle increased every time his income increased. When he earned more money, he moved to a bigger place, bought a nicer car, and increased his spending. Nicole did the opposite. As her salary increased, she kept her lifestyle mostly the same. Instead of spending raises, she increased the percentage she invested. This means a larger and larger portion of her income now goes toward building wealth. Number 3. Avoid debt on things that lose value. Brian carries multiple types of debt. He has a mortgage, a car loan, and credit card balances. Much of this debt comes from purchases that lose value quickly, like cars and consumer goods. Nicole avoids this kind of debt. The only loan she has is a mortgage. She buys cars used and pays cash, and she never carries credit card balances. By avoiding interest payments and expensive loans, she keeps more of her money working for her instead of going to lenders. Number 4. Invest bonuses and unexpected money. Brian receives bonuses from work, but he usually spends them on vacations, electronics, or other purchases. Once the money is spent, it's gone forever. Nicole treats bonuses differently. Whenever she receives extra money, bonuses, tax refunds, or other unexpected income, she invests it immediately. Over time, those extra investments compound and grow into a significant part of her wealth. Number 5. Minimize investment fees. One habit that many people overlook is paying attention to investment fees. Brian uses default investment options in his retirement plan without checking the costs. Those small annual fees slowly reduce his returns over time. Nicole chooses low-cost index funds with extremely small fees. Even a small difference in fees can lead to tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars over decades. The real lesson. Nicole did not become wealthy because she earned more money. She became wealthy because she consistently followed a few powerful financial habits for many years. Brian followed what most people consider normal financial behavior, spending raises, saving only when possible, and carrying consumer debt. Unfortunately, normal habits often lead to average or poor financial outcomes. The lesson is simple. Building wealth is less about how much you earn and more about what you consistently do with the money you earn. By paying yourself first, increasing your savings with raises, avoiding unnecessary debt, investing windfalls, and minimizing fees, it is possible to build significant wealth even on a middle-class income. Over time, these small decisions compound into life-changing results.